Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get bonus money in Melbet. It will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. First, you will come at your menu. Then from here, you will first be putting a very good or considerable amount of money in your Melbet at the first deposit of account after putting your promo code. Then after putting that, you will now realize that a message will be sent to you for that. Then you will click on the electronic purse where you will select now the account of the bonus account, where you will select it as your main account with the money that is inside. As the money is already inside now, you will be now able to bet your matches if you want. You can also come here at the level of the casino or other categories of promos where you can play some games like the Aviator, TV games, Crash and all the rest, so as to gain again a considerable amount of money. Then as everything set now, you will be able now to get it by coming and click on your settings. Then you will come just and click on withdraw from account. Then depending where you are or depending on which withdraw funds you want to use, be it the mobile payments, the payment systems, cryptocurrencies and all the rest, you will now select what fit best for you and now remove it normally.